Kyle.
You trying to film? Are you trying to film?
We're just looking at some paintings here. A lot of cool stuff.
Why is the 4430 bigger than the 40? Or the 42's been. This picture's big.
Ooh, look at that one. That one's cool.
We'll see you later, buddy.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh. I like that one. And I like that one. Alright everybody, today is February 18th, 2023. First video of 2023. And today we're in Louisville, Kentucky at the National Farm and Machinery Show. This is the largest show in the country every year for farm equipment. Very fun to go to. This is my second year going to it. This is the last day they're doing it. They did the 15th through the 18th, and I've been here since the 16th. So I've had a few days to walk around, look at everything, see what I like, and met a lot of people that I've known for a while and wanted to meet in person, or just people I wanted to meet in general. And somehow a few of them knew me, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so today we're just kind of walking around, skimming what's at the show, what I kind of find interesting, and we're also going to go to a tractor pull and check out the toys upstairs. So yeah, should be a good day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be a little bit different from last year's video, just kind of skimming stuff instead of really looking into it. But yeah, I guess without further ado, let's get into it and get going. All right, honest reaction, Kyle. What do we think here? New Holland?
Not with the hat on, dog. Dog, no.
It is offset, yeah. Yeah, that's got Raven on it. It's pretty fancy. I guess New Holland likes their LED lights or something. RGB stuff.
Hey, I'm surprised they didn't block this one off. I see cutter knives down here.
Dangerous. That's dangerous.
Oh, but if you're
naughty, no.
This comes off.
This comes off when you get it. Oh yeah, this comes off in the field.
Yeah.
That is true. That'll come off, and then you can use it for mowing. Safely.
It's already been used.
Oh, yeah.
You can use it more. 400. What is that? 49 hours. It kind of is.
It's kind of just.
Well, you know, it'd be cool.
It'd
Be cool if that's how it was at night when you were mowing. You know, from a presentation standpoint, these lights are actually kind of cool. I mean, they do look out of the ordinary, but I mean, I get it for like the shows. That's kind of a cool tactic. I don't know how many calves I'm actually going to get in this time, but I'm kind of in a walk around mood today.
Stop staring at you. Stop.
I've never heard of it before.
Model.
TYM.
Not because you can tell by the way it is.
I've never heard of it before.
Combustion system is a swirl chamber.
It kind of looks like the Transformers symbol there. I don't know. I've literally never heard of TYM. Interesting. Well, you learn something new every day. It's cool to see new stuff, I guess. I mean, I'm not opposed to it. The color's interesting. I don't like the color match rims on it, but I mean, it looks clean. Definitely looks clean. 3-point on the armrest. PTO push. Hydraulics are interesting. That's your throttle. I've never seen that before. Get your gears. And you got your joystick. That's a little high. I don't know, this shifter's interesting. About the most normal thing in this thing. I just can't get over this. That is so different in this. Put your arm down and woo. There goes the 3-point. Snowblower's on the ground. Whoops. That is a very big tractor. Still got the red cab leather, and it's painted black on the outside. Look at these tracks, they're as tall as me. Holy cow. Well, this is the right color.
Oh yeah.
Mower.
Mower.
Well, at least they brought a combine this year. Last year, deer wasn't too interesting, but this year we got some good stuff here. Now this is quality. They really outdid themselves bringing something like this in this year. Original cab kit, if you look in there. Quad range. Probably the factory tires that were put on it. And then it's hooked up to $120,000 planner or something like that. Sorry. Great Plains.
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 When mod FS.
When great of Plains.
When FS mod, huh? Jeez, buddy, don't break it.
Great Plains.
Don't break the thing.
I got a Great Plains.
Okay.
It's quite a milestone. And there's been a lot of folks that helped us.
Well, we just got our refreshments. We're gonna check out the tractor pull. I haven't done that yet, so we're gonna do that and then get back to filming back in the main area after that. We'll see how this goes. It's the finals. You got a black Deutz. Copying case. What the heck? Ah.
Hey, shot, what is this? What is it?
tractor pull. Let's take a look around. I've been over here already. This is the last day, but I haven't done any filming yet. Just been meeting people, so now that it's cleared out quite a bit, I can actually get around the booths and take a look at stuff. So we're gonna kind of skim everything before things shut down and see what we got. Quick walk through Kuhn. I'm just gonna kind of nice tillage rig. I think we saw this last year. Remember Ryan was over here last year. Still being called a stunt double. This time by other people too. It's kind of funny. I guess it's true. Very shiny though. Well, that's an interesting rear track design. And of course, can't go through Claas without looking at the Lexion. I've always wanted to take a look inside one of these, see how they are during harvest, because I've heard a lot of good things about them, but I haven't gotten the chance to do that yet. Maybe this fall I'll find somebody. We do have a few neighbors with Claas, but I don't know who they are. Maybe I can meet them, figure something out, riding a Claas. Just a quick walk by McHale. A lot of hay equipment here. Like I said, just kind of skimming by. This video is more of a showing what's at the show and not really looking at the little details and things, I guess. We're just kind of skimming by this year. A little bit of a different kind of video than normal. But yeah, there's quite a few vendors here this year. It was a lot busier than last year, I will say. I do like what I see here, all these balers. Pretty fancy setups. We've always got a left hand and a right hand cart, which would be kind of cool to see one of those right hands, but it'd be on tarp side, I think. But seeing one in the field would be something, I guess. I love our 750. The only complaint I have is it's too square on top. We run into some problems with that. But I'd always like to see one of these giant ones, newer ones in action with way more capacity than ours. Deutz. Hey Kyle,
Yeah?
Who sponsors this show?
Deutz Store
Deutz Far.
and Rod Implement.
They're not American.
Nope.
No, they're not.
Never gonna be.
No, probably not. So why are they sponsoring the show? What?
Yeah, look how close they are on the other.
Oh. I was like, what are you getting at? McFarlane.
Ireland.
He's a rig. Show us this rig, Kyle.
It's right here.
Yeah. And what about it?
It's missing its points because kids run into it.
That is a very good point that you got there.
Dangerous, illegal.
Very dangerous.
Illegal.
JCB usually has some interesting stuff. Self-propelled balers are pretty cool. That'd be something else. That'd be a good video to see. If I get one of those in action. Premier's always got some nice quality baling products and, well, mixer wagons too. I haven't seen a whole lot on their mixer wagons, but I've seen a lot of their balers in action. Should stop by and get a video sometime if I see another one. That's like kind of what they're known for, I think, is balers. At least that's what I see most of. It's not quite as popular now that Mike Less has moved to Deutz, but still very cool. And I love how big the cabs are in these things. I still got to find one of these in the field. We don't have any of these in our area. Be really cool. Fun fact on those walkabout bins, we actually have a lot of those for sale in eastern South Dakota. I've seen a bunch of them, and then I know of one that's actually being used not too far from where I live, so hopefully in the fall I can get a video of that. And that one also has an X9 on that farm, so hopefully I can get something arranged for that, because that'd be a cool drone video. And the 7530 VT from Landau. This is what we have back home on the 7930. We have a smaller one than this, but still getting adjusted to it. We've only had one season with it. Hopefully in the future we can get it a little further dialed in. Maybe get it a little more efficient, but so far not too bad, I don't think. So I don't know, Landau products are pretty good. We've had a disc too, Landau, for years. Not too many complaints with Landau. Pretty solid piece of tillage. Nancy Ferguson back again. Got a few tractors sitting around. I got a couple buddies who like Massey. I've never really been into it, but I don't know. Pretty cool pieces of machinery. It'd be cool to see one running. We have one, South Dakota State, we have one on the dyno. So I've been doing some classes with them. Kind of cool. But yeah, it'd be kind of cool to see one in the field sometime. And of course the old Gleaner. I've been through this one already. Excuse me. I'll tell you one thing, I've seen so many right-hand grain carts pop up in the last year or so. I think there was only like one at the show last year, maybe two, I don't know. I've seen like 4 here. That's kind of cool. Then you got your traditional left-hand side stuff. I just couldn't even imagine running a cart like this. It's so big. I thought our 750 was a pretty good size, but then you look at this and it's like, wow, there's like 2 of them in there somewhere, probably. If not, pretty close. Well, maybe a few hundred off, but there are some out there that are like 2 750 carts put together. Boda's got a bigger size booth, it looks like. I don't know if I've walked by Crone yet. We were over here a lot yesterday. Got a few balers, tedder rake, mowers, your typical Crone stuff. They didn't have a silage chopper this year. I think normally they do. I do remember them having one. So a little smaller this year, but well, they still got some pretty good stuff here. I don't mind walking through Crone. We got the merch. You got the merch. You got the merch. He got the merch, and he also got the merch. Where's your bag at?
It's in here. No, I didn't
Oh yeah, you didn't get a bag. We got them for like half, 3/4 off. You got some stuff for free.
I got a free hat.
You got a free hat. He got a free hat. They all got like really good deals, like over half off on a lot of stuff. So pays off to wait and then go to the Kloss booth, right?
Get
all the free stuff.
Yeah. Show closes. They give you all the good deals.
Yep. Well, we're gonna head out now, and all the escalators are broken because too many people are here this year. So we have to walk down the escalators. It's all the houses. They park their hogs outside. Now they go up the stairs and break them. That's how it is.
Barb went up the stairs and broke it.
Broken again. Oh boy. When you come in, the up one's broken. When you go out, the down one's broken. That's how it's been.